Oh, my daddy, I'm in love.
My son Luminous, whom are you in love with again?
My daddy, I fell in love with a stranger that she doesn't even know my name. Neither she knows if I exist. But daddy, I'm seriously in love with her. I hear her voice even though she's not there. I feel her cry even when it drops over the whole phone. I feel like she's the only one I have in this life. She's my joyous world. But guess what, daddy? I don't know her. She's a stranger. She doesn't even know if I exist. I just feel like I care for her like a pregnant woman. Think of her all the time like a patient. Oh my dad, I'm in love with a stranger.
But my son, how